Hi everyone, I'm Kadam Sacharan from kadamsacharan.com. Welcome to my Traffic Crush review. Traffic Crush is a software which helps you to get instant traffic to your Instagram account or your Twitter account or your YouTube channel. It's a very instant free traffic for you. You can get a free traffic through hashtags or through keyword research, which I'm going to show you as a demo in the next few minutes. Make sure you attend this video till the end. I'm going to show you everything what you want. So first of all, I just want to show my bonuses. If you want to purchase Traffic Crush from me, I have put together a ton of custom bonuses for you. But there is one special thing which I want to share with you. If you want to get these custom bonuses, you can see the timer over here. Within the next 22 hours, these bonuses are going to expire. So make sure you purchase this, you bookmark this so that you don't miss this special bonuses from me. So let's get into the bonus thing. Okay, so the first bonus you get is Steel THD training, where you can learn how to get instant traffic for your affiliate offers, how to create a review bonus pages. Okay, it's an advanced program and it's highly effective because as you're purchasing the Traffic Crush, it's very important for you as well to learn all these things. And the second bonus I'm going to share with you, how to build your buyer list automatically. Because if you are doing online marketing, building a buyer list is very important in doing your business long term. So it's a great program. Okay, great video module. Okay, how to build your buyer list automatically. Okay, don't miss this special bonus. Okay, it's very important. Okay, and the third bonus which you're going to get is email capture tutorial. Okay, because if you want to get traffic, if you want to make that traffic your own traffic, you have to capture emails for tool. Okay, so in this bonus, I'm going to show you how to capture your emails, how to create a capture page, how to send emails to people. Everything is explained in this bonus email capture tutorial. Okay, and the fourth bonus which you're going to get is online entrepreneur. Okay, so in this you get all the things about mindset, what online entrepreneur should have, what are the tools required, everything is shared over here. Okay, don't miss this bonus. And the fifth one is vendor is also going ton of custom bonuses for you, so don't miss vendor bonuses as well. Okay, so these are all the bonuses which I kept for you. Okay, if you want to get access to any of these bonuses, you can just simply click here to secure your copy and bonuses. Then you will go to the sales page. You will go to the sales page and you can click here to join. You can directly get access to the product and my bonuses too. Okay, so if you want to get access to the bonuses which I shared with you, you don't have to do anything. Okay, you just go to your Warrior Plus account and you go to the purchase history. And when you go to the purchase history, you can see a option like this. Okay, I kept you some screenshot for you. You can see the option called access affiliate bonus. When you click on this, you can get all these bonuses which I shared with you just now. Okay, so don't miss this custom bonuses, which is very important. It adds value to the product. Okay, bonuses adds value to the product, so it's highly effective. Okay, so just understand that. So now I'm going to show you a sales page. Okay, how it looks. Okay, it's a brand new traffic software, creates, ranks and blast unlimited viral videos to your YouTube, Instagram and Twitter for free traffic and big commissions in minutes. Okay, it's a software which I already shared with you, which helps you to create viral videos. Okay, so they have given a demo video as well. Okay, if you go to the sales page, you can see this demo video as well. Okay, they include a lot of benefits of this product. Okay, you can just check in your free time. Okay, so you can see. Okay, it's a one-time fee. Okay, if you want to get access to this one-time license, okay, you have to just take action in 24 hours, 22 hours. Okay, so if you click over here, you can directly purchase this product. Okay, and they have provided how to use this tool and everything step by step. I'm going to share it with you in the next few minutes. And they are showing the stats. Okay, what are the stats by using this software. Okay, they are showing the earning proofs as well. Okay, and they got a good recommendations from some top marketers. Okay, Art Flair, okay, Daniel, Venkatramana. These are the product launches, and they're very good, pretty reputed in the launching market. Okay, so yeah, so you can see, you can click any of those buttons. Okay, and you can see a lot of stats provided over here. Okay, so you can, in your free time, you can just check this sales page. Okay, they provided with lot of social proof as well. Okay, you can just go and check in your free time. I'm not going deep into that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use this product. Okay, so when you log into your product, your interface look like this. Okay, Traffic Crush, they will show you four options: Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and the link cloaking software. Okay, so now let's go into Instagram first. Okay, so this is the Instagram module. Okay, so when you come over here, you can see the dashboard. See, I have one account. Okay, so when you click on accounts, you need to add your Instagram account to this software. Okay, you can just give your login ID password, which is secure, don't worry. So just click on this, you can add your account, and you can add users. Okay, if you want to on based on hashtags. Okay, if you're into fitness niche, if you're into make money online niche, if you're into any niche, based on the hashtags, you can add users to this software. So when you add users to this software, so you're not personally reaching out to them. Okay, you're directly getting those people over here. You can directly message to them. Okay, you can create a messages for the bulk people, and you can send message for them. Okay, it's a pretty good software which saves you a lot of time, because if you want to reach out everyone personally, it takes a lot of time for you. It's a lot of time consuming process. Okay, this software helps you to avoid that. Okay, and the next thing is autopilot. You can just schedule that messages for the people, so that you can schedule it for next 1 month, 2 months, and you can make your lives easier. Okay, direct messenger. Okay, you can directly message someone on Instagram, and you can edit some images too for your Instagram profile or your clients Instagram accounts. Okay, and this you can use it for your clients accounts as well. You can provide service to them. Okay, so it's a pretty good software. I'm not going deep into that. Okay, but it's very self-explanatory. You can directly go and use it. Okay, because you already have a demo video on the sales page which you can watch and implement. Okay, so the next thing is for Twitter. Okay, it's same for Twitter as well. Okay, accounts, you need to add your Twitter account over here, and you need to create a tweet. Okay, you can add your account, you can create a tweet. Okay, with some good images, good hashtags and everything. They give a lot of recommendations on hashtags as well. And the next important thing is you can schedule a tweet. Okay, you can schedule a tweet for next 1 month, 2 months, 6 months also, so that your Twitter account will be active every single day on automation. Okay, you can automate the things, and the wonderful part is you can auto follow. Okay, you can auto follow people based on hashtags. You can auto retweet, auto like, auto direct messages. Okay, and no need to worry, like a lot of people worry that if I use this software, my account might get banned. No, it will not happen. It will follow the people very, very slowly. Okay, it will give a gap, 25 people once, and they will give a gap, so that there will be no problem to your accounts. Okay, and you can search tweets, and you can edit the images, you can find the images. Okay, in a very, very simple way. Okay, it is also effective software for Twitter. Okay, so the next thing is for YouTube. Okay, for YouTube, the number one thing I like it the most is auto video creator. Okay, if you have some videos, if you have some images, you can directly upload that images to this tool, auto video creator, and you can create a video in just 1 minute. Okay, so it's a very, very time you will you will save a lot of time using this. Okay, you will save a lot of time. Okay, so the next thing is YouTube research. Okay, you can do a research on YouTube keywords. Okay, what keywords you have to use on your videos. Okay, YouTube tags, auditor. Okay, image finder, image editor, you can edit the image as well, and you can create some call to actions as well. Okay, which is very, very important. Okay, so the next thing is link cloaking. Okay, so you know what is link cloaking. Okay, you can make your custom links. Okay, you can make a shortened links. Okay, it's mainly about you customizing your links. Okay, so it's a link cloaking software which is very, very useful for affiliate marketers, lot of business owners as well. Okay, so it's all about the product demo. Okay, it's a very, very wonderful software which can save a lot of time for you. Okay, and yeah, if you want to like I'm going to show you about how much price it cost and everything. Okay, so these are the upsells. Okay, The front end product costs $17. Okay, Traffic Rush, you can see over here. Access the powerful Traffic Rush software and training modules, which I shown to you. Okay, which you can get for $17. Okay, which is very affordable as a front end price. And if you want to take an upsell, okay, you get a developer license. Okay, to sell videos, to create, sell IG accounts with followers. Okay, a lot of done for you services. Okay, they are giving to you. Okay, they are giving you some integrations as well. Facebook and Google Pixel integration and link cloaking software. They are giving you a lot of additional tools if you take an upsell. Okay, it's a pretty good recommendation to take. Okay, and upsell number two, okay, enterprise edition. Okay, they are giving you done for you campaigns. Okay, if you want to get some done for you campaigns, images for your Instagram account or your Twitter account, they're giving you that. And they're giving you the social content planner. Okay, which is very important, because if you want to create content on our own, it consumes a lot of time. Okay, so they will give you that. Okay, they'll give you a lot of backlinks. Okay, videos, strategies. Okay, coaching, one-to-one support. Yeah, it's pretty good upsell as well. Okay, upsell number three, done for you products to promote. Okay, in-depth affiliate marketing training. Okay, upsell number three, you can see reseller. Okay, you can sell this software directly to other people and you can get 100% commissions. Okay, which is a wonderful aspect for $67. Okay, and yeah, you can see uh Traffic Rush. Okay, you can get seven-figure affiliate training. Okay, you can get some cloud apps, new software to sell every week, case studies, free software you need. Okay, you can see it's $97. Okay, once again I'm saying you the price. The front end only costs $17. Okay, so just you can understand. Okay, upsell, downsell, everything you can look it over here. Okay, so again I'm reminding you. Okay, these are the bonuses which you can get. Okay, these bonuses only last for next 24 hours, 22 hours. Okay, so if you want to take action within this time, and you can bookmark this as well. Okay, after clicking on the link, you can bookmark this page so that you won't miss these bonuses which I kept for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my review. Okay, if you have come new to my channel, make sure you like it, subscribe it, and I'm going to make a lot of reviews like this, and I'm going to prepare a lot of content which is very valuable to you. Thank you once again. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.